So in this lab, we're going to take three different hoops and discs. We have a bigger hoop or disc, we have a smaller disc, and then we have a hoop that's the same radius as the smaller disc. We're going to take those with a stopwatch and roll them down the incline plane to calculate all the things that we can dealing with the angular torque, the angular momentum, the kinetic energy that it has that's rotational and translational, as well as the potential energy that it has at the top of the hill. For the energy part of the lab, we're going to have to know how high this is off of the baseline. So if you picture there being a flat line here that goes all the way over to the end of the 1 meter mark, then I have a triangle that's a right angle. I know that this hypotenuse is 1 meter, and we've set our board to be at 5 degrees. So with the board at 5 degrees, we can calculate what this height is going to be here. And if we do that calculation, then we can assume that the height over at this end is going to be 0, even though it's raised off of the lab table, because that will become our new baseline, which will be that 0 line there. So we're going to use the 5-degree angle, use the 1 meter hypotenuse to calculate the height that goes with the board. Okay, so I'm going to start the stopwatch here. I have the big disc, and I'm going to start it at the top of the ramp with the edge on the edge, and then it will end with the edge at the end of the 1 meter mark. So here we go. Here is trial 1. Trial 2. Trial 3. So now I have the small disc that I'm going to roll down. I've moved the edge of the book so that the end of the disc matches the end of the meter stick. So this will travel 1 meter down the incline plane. So here is trial 1. Here is trial 2. And here is trial 3. Okay, for this last one now I have the hoop, and remember it's the same radius as the disc, so I don't have to adjust the books on the end. It's still going to roll down a length of 1 meter. So here we go. Here is trial 1. Trial 2. Trial 3.